This is going to be the elevator at a building across the street from the Sarasota First Baptist Church. Looks like I got an old Dover. That doesn't work. Let's get a cab view. Likely from the late 70s, probably. Let's go to 2. Here we go. That is an epic motor. The First Baptist Church of Sarasota. Very 70s. Alright, now look at this. Gotta wait for it to shut. It's got a bumper. There's your interlock. Gotta, see, demonstrate it. Alright, now let's let it shut. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's watch one go out. And we'll get off here. And there it goes. And that's going to be it.